My name is Eugene Detke. I'm the product manager for Apex Dynamics USA. We manufacture a wide range of servo gearboxes, precision rack and pinion, and automated lubrication systems. We focus on the industrial automation industry: automotive, aerospace, packaging, material handling, metal forming, warehouse automation. So our manufacturing is servo gearboxes, and we focus mainly on that. And we started out as an injection molding robot company and created our own gearbox because of some of the things that were limitations on the market, which was lead time, cost, and quality. Some of the strengths that we have is, number one, our quality. We produce a high quality product out of our 1 million square foot manufacturing facility. Number two would be our fast and consistent delivery, which is an outcome of our adoption of a manufacture to stock program. And number three is our knowledgeable and attentive support staff. I'd say a new area of focus for us would be the warehouse automation industry. We have a product directed as a wheel drive for autonomous mobile robots. The idea is that our gearbox fits inside of the wheel of a robot, creating more space in the robot and driving with a lot more accuracy and torque capability. And there's a wider range of availability for those applications.